March 2026 is a very sensitive month. The reason is that the positions of the planets are special. Because of these planetary alignments, astrologers will have a lot of people coming to them for advice. In addition to that, March is filled with big cultural and spiritual events. For example, there's the Hindu New Year, called Chaitra Shukla Pratipada, along with other important festivals like Navratri, Holi, and a special event, a lunar eclipse. Next, we have some major planetary highlights. These are big combinations of planets, and each one has a different effect. First, Mars and Rahu are in Aquarius. This combination can help you move forward very quickly, especially if you work with large groups of people, like in media or community projects. Next, Venus and Saturn are in Pisces. Venus is very strong here, but being close to Saturn means that big changes can happen in relationships. Some people might end relationships, and others might start something new. After March 14, the Sun and Saturn will also be in Pisces. This is a warning period. You need to be extra careful with bosses, government offices, or any legal situations. Then we have Mercury retrograde, which lasts until March 20. During this time, communication can get mixed up, and things can be delayed or misunderstood. So it's best not to make big decisions until after March 20. Finally, Jupiter turns direct on March 10 or 11. This is good news because it means things like travel, visas, and delayed job offers will finally move forward again. After them one by one. Aries, you will move forward quickly, especially in media or communication, but be careful with government rules. If you're pregnant, pay extra attention to your health. Taurus, old dreams might come true and you could earn more money. At work, be a good team member so you don't cause tension with colleagues. Gemini, be ready for surprises. Your luck might go up and down. Travel plans could change suddenly, but Jupiter's good influence will help protect you. Cancer, this month is emotionally sensitive, especially with office politics. Don't make big financial, might get questioned by authorities. Keep an eye on your heart and eye health. The good part is that your friends will give you strong support. Virgo, even if there is pressure, you can get good deals. It's a great time to take a romantic relationship to the next step, like marriage or meeting family. Libra, your career might grow, but watch your health. You may get very focused, but also overthink. Be careful not to get fines or tickets. Scorpio, try to stay calm at home. Don't let anger affect your family. You may meet someone who wants a serious relationship. Sagittarius, you will feel very motivated. For Capricorn, you might get a lot of job or money offers this month. That sounds really positive, but the advice is to stay honest in all your dealings. Don't give in to bad habits or overindulgence. Also be careful because some stubborn people might try to block or slow down your plans. Take it step by step and stay true to yourself. For Aquarius, this is a big month for your career. You might start a new chapter, especially because you'll feel confident and ready. However, you might have some tension at home. Your partner and family could be at odds or not fully aligned with your choices, so balance is important here. For Pisces, you'll feel a sense of stability and support from your family, which is really comforting. But at the same time, your expenses might be high, so you need to be mindful of your budget. Also, be very careful with legal matters. Make sure you follow all the rules and procedures at work. If any part still